Femi Kweku Ansa Koranteng. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Brief Expeditions. And only company Opemsuo Osetutu Abebu Epinesoma Yeba Truba Hasi. Na yebe some adventure tourism development project ebema kumasi manso enya baby akọ ze na yenyina ni na canopy walkways yenyina ya tiseka kuma gidi wo hono ye bibi ba hase a free nsuo ne so na ba asase so zip lines, twin zip lines no Ghana yenyina we need the longest set of zip lines e Ghana, but yanye ba yesanso ye mi no. Eventually, a total of 7 adventures na nipa bitima babe bi wa hase: kayaking, abseiling, ziplining, canopy walkway, paintballing, and camping. And eventually, the cruises can cross over to issue. So the whole idea, they say, yema kumasi man, ni asante man de biom betimi akwa, almost betimi ama almost stress or acting, no almost any adventure, na almost any relaxation, and the healing that comes from being in nature. For more than 40 years, and I live for a free hase, Adam Pine. And ohine Opemsuo as say society this by Easter time media na say has sacram as say be simaka Truba to say ebi no moka kwahu na obi abetimi aba mpanimfo mmofra teenagers obia wo bibi wo hono ma obetimi aya ono so ani ebetimi age na ebewie no na library so aba has a restaurant bia obi o person call baby from 8 in the morning till 5 in the evening our person ope baby a obe kwa koje na home ya disturbance bi any hono ma ebeye enclave e wo Truba hase tiniema enclave Truba hase ye unique e twin zip lines na zip line no nchire mu otwi ne eden kakra but na bo me home modern nti imagine say wonam wiem but wiem a wonam no cable na so nti wonam cable mu nam wiem na cable no so e ba no so no na mu nsuo so nti wo a wusuro nsuo wo so a wusuro height sa adventure we ma opportunity to overcome these two things na just I shall say fisoro hono mo a tour now will travel about 15 to 20 kilometers per hour. Now you're designing it in such a way, say, oh, banana a slow down. Opemsuo baby away, not just a stop a bit or honomoa, a baby shout, not a mawo a springy against the pillar, no. Not just a bit or honomoa, what guide wa, a CFM a free so. It is very, very safe for most parts of the world, Undi bear 13 amount to me mao and yes zipline because we need wait never mawaban. But yet 3-year-old scratch me as the prima omubaba drew assume here. When I just said this is one of the kind you develop a Kumasi Hase. And this is of course a national record because this is the longest set of zip lines in Ghana. But not only that, and also Boama amount for it can take our installed capacity of about 3,000 people a day. It nipa 3,000 wahanoma between 8 and 5 will be able to me as zip because it takes about 1 minute to complete the journey. And Opekra, I think say the heaviest client and no way by 175 kilograms. We able to take it the force elephants for a generator. And one elephant weighs more than 2 tons. It is sana zip lines we at here. It is a bet savvy. If you full need technology on bet to be at take cable you on our namso. Yeah, and I am a man for throws you into no movie sana life jackets. We are more than 70 feet above the water. Into throw and use you a cable, no, because the cable net here should be in Honoma a bed war. It's absolutely safe. Yeah, in such a way, sir. These are also the cables are what the only pager containers or pots. Aircraft galvanized steel cables into the very idea, sir, and no better is. And an infrastructure also no. You dig 8 feet deep. Into concrete, I share our CN and concrete. It was a matter. Unfortunately, recently, I'm a more canopy walkway at because almost pillars no more it's just 2 feet. And the case near the polytank ni season. So share more than 2 square feet of pillar yes here. Now a sign called 8 feet deeper. And new weight ketwana we bit me. And I not send about 100 years grana na deal with AC because your company near the safest adventure company in Africa. It's you're doing safety home, you're doing the long-term success of the business. And I be mamun so the hook a crowd into one pretty systems foolproof not that chain a quack of assembly. I don't pay heavyweights here all year without any granting. Your weights in the any weight. Opemsuo hinema quino 2432 a baby ma quino. Na aha koye we smokers paradise. It's now all kinds of criminal activity. It's about the money face so because of feel is more to me back then shouldn't claim more money at the end because for 33 years Baba share Nana I've been so bad no more yen na a form with trim one. No what tinny big I catch and say about to shooting no could tum. It's over banana Truba Enclave friend say may nipa every near the ocean track and grana or who shampoo no Obama here. By a buyer there's hardly in our Twitter. Enti yeguswa ye fencing na ye pemko ti be wie no ya timi a fencing nyina but so far ni the access routes ni there there was security men were vantage points oba ombema wo akwechire and na Johnson light wa say ya obia o yese wo security for no be hu na chese o ma che de o ma Kenya se police for ye ne omo so na collaborate on the security no enti commanders ni omo maka me from within 5 minutes no ombeba ha say but eventually ye be wie no to say na wall ya you be really to me a secure baby.